Hey y'all, it's Elise. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, don't hate me, but I'm back serving you a pop of color for today. So if you want to see how to do this sparkly, colorful makeup, then I'm gonna need you to keep on watching, honey. Yes. Okay, so first we're going to prime our skin with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This is going to blur all of our pores out, create a nice smooth surface for our foundation. And today I'm using the Milk Foundation in the shade Cinnamon. And I'm going to be using a beauty blender for once in my life. Y'all know I like a brush, but today I decided to be different or whatever. Watch out for them edges. Can't get on that lace. We're using the Be Perfect Carnival palette. The first shade we're going to go into is the shade called Lit. We're going to blend that in our crease. I didn't realize how ugly of a face I make when I do eyeshadow, but I'm gonna need it to stop. It's scaring me. We're going in with the shade Guilty next from the same palette. I'm just going to blend that a little bit lower. And we're going to blend it out, fan it out, make sure all the edges are blended. This is shade 382 from Inglot Cosmetics. I'm just going to use that to deepen my crease. I really hate my faces. I gotta edit this out. So just keep blending. Then we're going in with Liquor. And we're going to add that to the outer corner. Yes. It's getting colorful. Then I'm going to go back over all the work we just did. Now I'm taking OCC Cosmetics in the shade Lamarckand, and this is the MAC Mixing Medium to help me place it on my lids for it to stay. Just place that all over your mobile moving lid, and then again, go back and blend. Now here's the handy dandy LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. Just gonna put this in triangles under your eye. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up some of that eyeshadow too. I'm gonna put on my forehead, down my nose, on my upper lip. I always skip my chin. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I always skip my chin because I already have a pronounced chin, and you just gotta learn how to contour and highlight for your face because not everybody has the same face. I'm contouring now with the Sephora foundation stick in the shade Mahogany. Now that I let my concealer sit, I'm just going to blend it out. Just blend, 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 blend. We're blending on our eyes, we're blending on our face. Y'all need a little bit of time for this look. Now we are going into AC Cosmetics No Shine Powder to set our under eye concealer. I'm just going to lightly put some powder on. I don't want it to be too cakey, but I am going to bake because I mean we're trying to beat down, honey. And then I'm going to wipe it off after it's sat for a little bit. And then I'm going to put RCMA's No Color Powder all over my face just to set it. Next up, I'm going in with Makeup Revolution's bronzer in the shade Medium. And I'm going to set everywhere that I did my cream contour. Okay, now we're doing blush. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio palette. This is owned by a Latina woman, so shout out to her. I'm just going to use this little orangey blush just to brighten my face up. Then I'm going into Lord Geller's Gilded Honey highlight. Lately I've been over highlight. How y'all feel about highlight now? I feel like it's starting to get a little bit out of the trend. Let me know. This is Dose of Colors eyeliner in the shade Crushed. These eyeliners are amazing if you haven't tried. Then I'm going to blend out that liner with the Jaclyn Hill palette. This cute little blue shade and then this deeper purple shade just to help with the dimension in the tones. Then I'm going to line my lips and put on my lashes. If you guys want a lashes tutorial, like how to put on your lashes, let me know. I think I'm gonna film that. This is Kat Von D Bow and Arrow. I ain't really like it though, so I'm gonna wipe it off and go in with Morphe's matte lipstick in the shade Honey. And then I'm gonna top that with Head Turner lip gloss from Bare Minerals. Time for a quick hair check, you know, when you start feeling yourself. And we are done, honey. Period. So that is the end of this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. But before you go, make sure to like and subscribe. All right, see ya.